Hi there, welcome to my channel. In this class we are going to talk about Claude Monet's Water Lily Pond. I will start with an introduction and analysis of the painting, followed by some references from other artists, and then the exercises. Let's do it. The Water Lily Pond is one of Claude Monet's most famous paintings, created in 1899, part of his extensive series depicting the tranquil beauty of his garden in Giverny, France. This masterpiece showcases a Japanese-style bridge arching over a pond filled with water lilies surrounded by lush greenery. Monet's use of soft, dappled brushstrokes and vibrant yet harmonious colors captures the fleeting effects of light and reflection on water, embodying the essence of Impressionism. The painting reflects Monet's fascination with nature and his dedication to capturing its ever-changing beauty, making it a timeless representation of serenity and artistic innovation. Now let's analyze three elements. The painting features a Japanese-style bridge that Monet installed at Giverny Garden, emphasizing his love for Japanese art and design. He used harmonious colors, blending cool greens and blues with warmer pinks and yellows to capture the natural reflections on water's surface. He created the garden himself. Of course, he had gardeners working there all the time, and he turned his landscape into a living canvas that he would paint obsessively for over 2 decades. The painting is part of a larger series where Monet obsessively studied the effect of light and reflection on his water garden at different times of day and year. Here is a painting that is very similar to the one that I showed previously, but it's in a slightly different perspective and also with the colors a bit different. But yeah, it's representing the same space, just with different light and perhaps time of day and year. I brought to you 3 different references, all of them from Impressionist artists. Let's take a look. The first painting is from Pierre-Auguste Renoir, and this painting, created alongside Monet at the same location, shares loose, vibrant brushstroke style and captures reflections on water, a key element in both artists' Impressionist work. The next reference is from Camille Pissarro. Pissarro's garden scenes reflect a similar fascination with light, color, and the peaceful beauty of natural spaces, much like Monet's Giverny paintings. And the last reference is from Berthe Morisot, called Summer's Day. Morisot's painting of women boating on the lake uses soft, luminous brushwork and explores reflections on water, closely aligning with Monet's interest in fleeting light and outdoor scenes. The exercises will take us about an hour, and we are going to start with a quick sketch, just lines, graphite pencil, for 10 minutes, just to capture the movement of the brush strokes. And then we will jump into a more detailed exercise. We're going to make our interpretation of the painting, and it will take us about 50 minutes. You can start using quick sketch with a graphite pencil, and then use all pastels to create the painting. In terms of materials, I like to use gloves to protect my fingers. I also have these pastel holders. I will use a blending stump to smudge. And I will use these oil pastels from Mungyo. And our class has come to an end. I hope that you had enjoyed it. If so, click the button below. If you would like to keep watching more content related with art, take a look at my other videos and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.